I'm Thiruvariyamuthu, a data analyst. Today we are going to talk about a key concept that you will definitely came across in data analyst interviews. They are what is OLTP, OLAP and data warehousing and why ETL can be directly performed in OLTP system. I will walk you through these ideas with the help of picture to make it easier to understand. Let's get started. What is OLTP and why it exists? On the left side of the image, we have got our OLTP, which stands for Online Transaction Processing. These OLTP systems are designed to handle everyday business operations that happens at real time. For example, in an e-commerce company, customers are placing orders, inventory is getting updated, and payments are being processed. This everything will happen at once, and this OLTP system is designed to handle them with speed and accuracy. But here's the thing, the OLTP system is great for transactions but not good for analysis. Why? Well, these systems are designed to handle lots of small and quick actions. But if you run a complex analysis on them, you will slow down everything and this will impact the whole business. Why data analyst can't perform ETL in OLTP? So as a data analyst, you want to analyze larger set of data and find insights, right? But you can't do that directly on the OLTP systems. Here is why. Performance issue. Running heavy queries or transforming data in OLTP systems will slow down the real-time transactions. Imagine customers are facing delays because of someone analyzing the sales data. Not ideal. Data structures. OLTP systems are highly normalized, meaning the data is spread across many tables to reduce redundancy. So running analytics could involve complex joins and that makes it inefficient. So this is where ETL, extract transform load comes in. So it all happens outside the OLTP systems. What is a data warehouse and who maintains it? Next let's talk about the middle part of the image, the data warehouse. After we pull the data from OLTP, it goes to a process called ETL. Extract, we pull the data from OLTP and other sources, transform, we clean and organize it and then load and then we store it in data warehouse. A data warehouse is a place where clean and structured data lives. It is made for analysis and reporting purposes. Data engineers are the ones who maintains the ETL process and make sure the data warehouse stays updated. What is OLAP and who maintains it? Now the data is clean and stored in data warehouse. Now we can use OLAP, online analytical processing, to analyze it. This is where data analyst and business intelligence specialist step in. OLAP tools helps us to slice and dice the data. We analyze it from different angles and create reports and dashboards showing trends and patterns and also answering business questions like what product made most revenue in last quarter. As a data analyst, you use tools like Power BI, Tableau or Excel to work with OLAP systems. Meanwhile, business intelligence teams maintain the OLAP systems to make sure we have right tools and data to work with. The data analyst role. So where do you as a data analyst fit in all of this? You won't be working with OLTP, that's for real-time transactions. Database administrators will handle them. You also won't be working with maintaining the data warehouse or managing ETL process. That's the responsibility of data engineers. Your main focus is on working with clean and structured data. But part of your job will cleaning and preparing the data first. But once it's ready, you will start to dive into creating dashboards and generating reports and helping decision makers to understand the insights that are hidden in the data. To sum it up, OLTP handles real-time transactions that not for analysis. Data warehouse stores clean and organized data that ready for analysis. ETL, the process that moves data from OLTP to data warehouse. And OLAP helps you to extract insights and answer important business questions. Understanding this flow is crucial if you want to become a successful data analyst. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let me know in comments if there are any other data analyst topics you would like me to cover.